Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Join me, let me show you how I prepare this delicious vegetable jollof rice. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to support us. Subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free of charge. It doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. Over here, guys, you can see we have heated up our vegetable oil. I added little salt. I went in with my onions, so fry for like 2 minutes. Then I went in with my fresh tomatoes, yes. So give it a stir and keep cooking until it reduces in quantity. For some minutes later, I went in with my best tomatoes. I can put tomato. Okay, add just little of it. Okay, go ahead and mix and continue frying just the way you are seeing here on the screen. At this point, let's go ahead to add in the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I added my seasoning cube. You add to your taste. Feel free to use any ingredients any ingredient of choice. I added in my herbs, that is my oregano. Yes, I love that. All right, I went in with some curry powder. Everything is just little because jollof rice don't need too much spicy. Of course, here comes my crayfish. Don't joke with this, so I don't joke with my crayfish. So add to your taste. Okay, so over here I'm done adding. I went in to mix and keep frying. Yes.
Welcome to MIRA'S kitchen, where common flavor glistening. Every meal a quiet glow, loving myself as I grow. In MIRA'S kitchen,
I added my ginger and garlic paste. Okay, go in, mix everything.
true, nourishing me, oh, nourishing me.
Guess what I'll be adding now? The lamb. Our washed rice. Yes, I know by now you must have known how I washed my rice. Yes, so I'm going to add it, which I've added already. You keep stirring, you mix everything, okay, until it is well combined. Okay, just keep mixing just for about 2 minutes or so.
Soft reflections of who we are. Not perfection, just progress made. Self-love served on every plate. We don't rush, we take it slow. Let the inner beauty show. Mind and body in a line, choosing wellness every time. Welcome to MIRA'S kitchen, where common flavor.
At this point, I'm done with the mixing. I went in with the stock meats. Yes, I be mixed stock. Anyways. So I added in my water. Oh, now water, girl. You add water to the level of the rice in the pot. Okay, mix gently. Once you're done with that, you cook on a low heat. Okay, you cover the pot and cook until the rice is well cooked and the water in it has dried up. Okay, feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings. Okay, over here you can see tasted so super good, right? So I use my baking paper to cover the pot, just the way you are seeing here. We're gonna cook until the rice is properly done.
MIRA'S kitchen, soft and bright.
Some minutes later, I checked on the pot. Yes, just the way you are seeing here. Guys, the type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, oh more, you cannot resist it. And don't forget, we are cooking vegetable jollof rice. So I went in with my frozen mixed vegetables. Here we have carrots, corn, peas. Yeah, feel free to add any vegetable of choice. Of course, I covered it for another 2 minutes. Okay, you can see here 2 minutes later, everything is well cooked. Yeah, both the vegetables. Yeah, so I went in to stir with some love. Stir gently. I walk with stir where you maybe a chakam. No, I mean with love, gently, just the way I'm doing here. Guys, turn off the cooker and our vegetable jollof rice is ready. You can see over here the vegetable you can add to your taste, okay? So I don't want it too much. Yeah, this is my perfect way that I love enjoying it. Yes, so that is it. Our rice is ready. Our rice is ready. Turn off the cooker and you are good to go. Will you be trying out this recipe? If you will, let me know what you think in the comment section. Guys, serve and enjoy in whichever way you prefer. This rice tasted so super delicious that after eating you keep asking for more. Honestly, everyone really enjoyed this rice. So, beautiful people, that is it. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to support this channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. See you guys in our next cooking video. And remember, bye bye.
One small choice, one small win, building strength from deep within. Mira's kitchen, soft and bright, turning small steps into light. Welcome to Mira's kitchen, where common flavor glisten in every meal, a quiet glow, loving myself as I grow. In Mira's kitchen, we rise in peace, finding balance, sweet release. What I eat in a day so true, nourishing me, nourishing me. Oh, morning light across my space, quiet strength, gentle grace.